Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll share a review on the latest third generation foldable device called the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 runs on Android 11 One UI 3.1.1 operating system and is powered by Snapdragon 888 5G chipset processor. It is IPX8 water resistant and comes with a 4400 mAh battery. It has 12 GB RAM with 256 and 512 GB of internal storage, and comes with a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x cover display, unfoldable, and a 7.6-inch dynamic 2x display, foldable dynamic AMOLED display. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G comes into 5 cameras: 12 MP wide angle camera, 12 MP ultra wide camera, 12 MP telephoto camera, 4 MP under display camera, and 10 MP front selfie camera. The camera can capture 4K video in 30 to 60 FPS. Now the Galaxy Z Fold 3 comes with S Pen support. Now with the S Pen, you can write, draw, make notes, as well as you can even open multiple windows on the Z Fold 3 and transfer file, folder or images from one window to another by just drag and drop. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 is good for watching YouTube videos, multitasking, watching movies, and playing games. The Z Fold 3 comes with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and a 5.2 Bluetooth version. It comes in the 3 colors: black, silver, and green. If you have liked my video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and press the bell icon. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.